We'll guide you through how to fix a Samsung TV not recognizing an HDMI input. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying because then you can't go and use and see what you're trying to display. So to get started, come onto remote and go and press the home button. Let's go and tap along until you've got source selected and just double check it's not appearing here. You can see if it's appearing here and you can then use it. If it isn't, don't worry. What we then need to do is go to where the HDMI is plugged in on a TV. There it is. What you can do is make sure that it's firmly plugged in, and what you can do is try using another port as well. Now go to the device you're connecting the cable to and make sure it's firmly plugged in there as well. Depending upon the device, you make sure that it's switched on first of all, and if it's a laptop or a computer, you may need to go and enable that you want to go and display on another screen. Do that in the settings, but they will vary depending upon the device. Come back to source and see if it's now appearing there. Hopefully it is. If it still isn't, let's try performing a restart. So you want to come onto remote, and what you want to do is tap and hold down the power button for 10 seconds. When that time passes, let go and wait for your TV to start again. See if it's now being recognized. If it still isn't, then it's worth using a different HDMI cable, as it could be a faulty one. Hopefully one of the solutions in this video solved the problem.